Most language courses start with the basics, and that's fine until you find yourself stuck in dialogues like Bonjour, je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît. Sure, it's polite, but it's also painfully boring. With this new course, we're trying something different. We've created a sitcom-style French series designed for people who already know a few basics, or have just started, but want to learn how French is really spoken today, not just what's in textbooks.
If you want to learn French quickly, forget your school books. Au lieu de cela, on va parler comme les jeunes, pas comme les profs.
Each episode features Michelle, your French teacher. She's modern, quick-witted, and speaks like people actually do in France today. Not too formal, not too slangy, just real.
Au lieu de cela... Au lieu de cela... Au lieu de cela... Au lieu de cela... On va parler comme les jeunes.
Michelle is joined by her digital assistant, Jacques. Charming, flirty, always trying to impress, and, well, not entirely real.
If you want to learn French, start with the most common expressions. Bonjour, je m'appelle Jacques.
Oh wow, that was way over the top. C'était trop sérieux. Et pire encore, that was straight out of the textbook. Young people don't talk like that. Tu peux faire mieux que ça.
Salut toi, moi c'est Jacques.
Salut, ça va? Moi c'est Michel.
Together they'll teach you useful vocabulary, natural expressions, and essential grammar without putting you to sleep.
The next lesson is going to be your mini masterclass on Flirty French. You don't want to miss that.